Uh-oh. Yep, we just lost all oil. Every $5 you spend gets you 1 entry into winning this Mark 7 GTI that we're gonna make sick and fast. Go to 53supply.com in the top of the description and enter. We're about to do so much stuff and it's gonna be a sick car. Yes, I'm wearing banana pants. Guys, I don't care. I don't care anymore. What I do care about is you guys being comfortable. We got some super high quality merch just for you and some new designs coming in the coming weeks. Guys, enjoy the video. All right, Drew's been here for a couple hours this morning and I haven't been in here to see what's going on. Let's see what he's been up to. What's going on, dude? What we got going on?
Just take match bolts out, starting to get the diff ready to swap.
Oh yeah, we have got a couple amazing things going on. First off, I hope you guys are having an incredible day. Make sure you guys subscribe, leave me a comment, and just leave me a meme in the comment section. I've been loving reading them lately. As you're watching this, I'm probably about to go drop this thing off to be wrapped, so I want to continuously give updates for this. It'll be back shortly so we can start putting all of these amazing parts that we unboxed last video. We've done a lot of work to this Lexus, and it's time for it to rip. Now, one of the major components of this has been IS300s. None of them were turbo. They all had W55s, and naturally, they all had open diffs. One thing you can do from factory is you can do is it a 410 LSD? Yeah, it's a 410 limited slip diff from a BRZ FRS. So that's super cool. We're gonna have a limited slip. We'll show you guys how to do it today. And then also we're finishing up the exhaust, which is essentially a straight pipe with a very small muffler, because 2JZs, they're very raspy. They can be on the same level as a VQ35 if you don't treat it correctly. So don't make your JZ sound like a 350Z. Don't do us dirty like that. Put a muffler in it. And here we go. This is, I should probably unbox the other one, but this. Now, Drew, will you explain to them how and why you're able to use a BRZ FRS diff?
Toyota has pretty much only really used one rear-wheel drive differential pretty much since the dawn of time. I think it was the Tundra that actually created the need for a second differential. These are the same as Land Cruisers, Tacomas, SC300s, Mark IVs. Thankfully, they've kept the same design around for a long time. So the cases are the same on these, but the axle shafts and stubs are different. So the only thing that we actually have to do at this point is to swap over the IS300 stub shafts into the FRS differential, bolt it right back up, and then we've got a 410 with a torsion differential.
So is there like a snap ring holding this in, or how do you?
Just like front wheel drive axles, where there's a snap ring, and we'll get in there with some pry bars and just a swift tap with them, and they'll pop right out.
Sick. Now, I have not seen this yet, but this is something I just got off of eBay. And there we are. It's a happy Halloween, guys. Here's the pumpkin. It's a little lubricated, boys, but it's all good. A little bit of lube never hurts. So that's the BRZ diff. Ready? IS300 diff. It's literally the same thing, but with different internals. That'll be good. Whoop. You're good.
All right. Oh. All right. I feel very unsafe about the camera now.
Sorry, camera. I love you. She's been through a lot over the years. It's fine.
I feel so dumb doing this.
I'll edit out everything except for the actual taking out part. Or maybe not edit out. This is kind of funny.
And I'm sure it's real funny. So I don't have to. Cool.
There we are, boys. I'll save this and probably use it for my Mark III Supra. Still have got lots to do with that. I haven't made much progress. Obviously, guys, we have a lot of projects going on. We're doing our best over here. We'll get to the Mark III very soon. But a few things I gotta do to that first to get out of the way. Wow, that's really cool. What? Never mind, it's in.
Yep.
And that's literally it.
That's it, 100%. Now we fill it up while it's easy. And
damn. Hope
that doesn't pull out.
Hope you're ready, IS. LSD, here we come. YouTube's probably like, what's this YouTube channel constantly talking about LSD, meth, alcohol? We should ban him. I don't think YouTube likes me anymore, guys. That Supra legitimately messed up my channel for a little while. We're on the road to recovery here. All right, the diff is in. That's amazing. And guys, I've gotten pretty good at eyeball alignments over the years. We have a centimeter of toe in. So I'm not even, toe in. So I'm not even gonna touch it. gonna tighten everything up, check the fronts. Let me show you the exhaust, I guess, before we put it on. Like I said, this essentially is just a straight pipe, but it's got this, I would honestly, this is a muffler. I would consider it more of a quasi-resonator. It just kind of eliminates the nasty rasp of the JZ. Don't want to consider it a straight pipe. That's fine, I don't really care. It's basically a straight pipe all the way back. And they did this really cool deal. Boom. It's actually upside down right now, but boom, boom, boom. Up to here, and this is gonna be a downturn. Ooh, brother, scream pipe. Probably should tighten that. Yo, that's gonna look sick on the ground. All right, guys, it's coming down and coming off the lift. This is a big moment, Drew. Can't get copyright, so I have this song from Fast and Furious in my head. I was singing to myself earlier the "Live Fast, Die Young." I should start just humming my own music in the background. Oh, brother. Guys, this lift literally has not been open and available, I think, for a year. I'm not even kidding. And if it was available for 3 seconds, and I put something else on it. Holy crap. What? That is quite the low idle. She's alive! Wow! Holy crap, I don't believe my eyes right now. I actually don't believe that this is real. Drew is gonna tinker with some idling problems that VVTI has specifically with this ECU we're running. We're not running a Link. I bought this way before we actually ended up partnering with Link. We kind of wish I did Link, but we already have this one, so it's fine. But oh my God, dude. It's really, we really out here. We really outside. I am happy right now, boys. The downturn I like a lot. It looks cool. Drew did some crazy good pie cuts here. But I like that it actually angles the sound down. It gives it a lot different tone. So you can like straight pipe with a downturn and it's still gonna sound a little bit better than just like straight at you. Hey Drew, can you give me a rev? That was way cooler than a rev. That was way cooler than a rev. That was way better than I thought it was gonna be.
So okay, two-step works.
Okay. What? We got a major, oh, we're water.
Yeah.
Water everywhere. Oh wait, no. That's oil. Oh. Yep, we just lost all oil.
We'll be fine.
I just needed a stained concrete. We'll just push it back in and see what it is. It's probably something small. This is why we didn't just drive it first.
Yep.
At least we got a two-step. We want to start pushing it back in. You guys know I don't like to skimp out on videos, so we went ahead. This is the next day. I went ahead and put on the skirts, which is amazing. We fixed the leaks and all that kind of stuff, did a brake bleed. Look how sick this thing looks, dude. This car is so tight. I freaking love it. So we just bled the water. We burped the water and everything like that. We're letting it cool down a little bit. Let's do some more revs, because when I was editing this, I was like, that's not enough for a video. So giving you guys some more. Just so you guys know, my intent is never to like piss off anybody, piss off my neighbors. I'm not a drama creator. All of my neighbors actually like me except for the one behind me. So I never am trying to make her mad or anything, but I gotta pressure test it, you know? This is exciting to hear this and be in here and Check for leaks. Hey, no leaks, let's go. Yeah, clutch was in.
Yeah.
100% throttle for sure.
All right, it's engaged now.
Engaged?
Yeah.
Okay. You good, bro?
Yeah.
Check for leaks.
Still good.
All right.
That's some serious two-step.
That is the best two-step. I love it. Don't worry, guys. It's not an AK. That is an IS300. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just go back inside and pretend that wasn't us.
Yeah.
For a little while. Incognito. We're gonna go to the safe house. Ooh, that is nice and stinky.
Yeah. So this is a little bit of the log from the two-step that we did. This red line is actually the map sensor value, and we got 2 bangs out of that. The first bang brought us up to 100 kPa, which is essentially atmospheric pressure, and the second one brought us up to 176. So that's 11.25 psi of boost.
On two-step?
On two-step, in like a quarter of a second.
We have no idea what gate, the gate that came with it, the spring that came with the gate. Sorry, dumb. So I don't know what boost we're gonna hit.
At least 11.25.
Today was fantastically exciting and exactly what I needed. Guys, every day I end videos. I was about to say financial advice. Why did I was back to college, I guess. Every day I end my videos with life advice to try and help you guys out. And today, I want you guys to know, this is I can't remember whose quote this is. It's not my own, but if you don't heal what cut you, you'll bleed on those who didn't hurt you. If you don't heal what cut you, you will bleed on those that didn't hurt you. And that is like so relevant to this culture. We grow up with all these problems, and like people go to YouTube and they take it out on these people that didn't do anything to them. Like you look at my comment section or any YouTuber's comment section, it's like filled with a bunch of dudes with probably daddy issues or other issues that they don't feel like dealing with, so they end up taking it out on somebody else. Guys, if you don't heal, if you don't fix your problems, you're gonna spew all of your issues out on people who didn't do anything to you. And that can be not just what I just said. I mean, it could be about relationships, anything. You can apply that to whatever you see fit. There's a lot of ways to apply it to your life, guys. Heal your problems. Focus on healing those problems, because if you don't, you're gonna end up bleeding those issues out into relationships. You're gonna hurt people even if you don't mean to. So you have to forgive, forget, or move on from whatever it is that's dragging you down, from whatever relationship you had that hurt you. You gotta move on from it, because if you don't, you're gonna be bitter and you're gonna hurt somebody. You're gonna hurt sometimes the people that you love in the process. So I'm ready to drive the SC. Hello, IS. PTSD, I don't know. It's been a long time coming. I need a left-hand drive 2JZ car in my life. And another left-hand drive 2JZ car is probably gonna go right on that lift right behind it, because we need to move on with the Supra. Got a lot of Evo stuff. We got some interesting stuff with the Evo coming. And that's it. I love you guys, and I hope you have an amazing day. Make sure you go to 5freesupply.com and enter into winning the GTI giveaway. Every $5 you spend is 1 entry. The GTI is gonna be sick. If you guys have missed any of them, which I don't think you have, I think more people are watching the GTI videos than these right now. So, hey, have a fantastic day. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace. By the way, I got 2 videos for you guys. Helps me a ton if you watch them. Click either of those 2 videos right here. Have a great day. Bye.